Hi Prishta Sethi, congratulations on the great achievement and welcome to Rankers of Ednovate, the podcast, the Ednocast, which we called as. And today, listeners, we will be going to hear a story of testament, hard work, and resilience. I think we will delve into her story of how she achieved a rank in spite of so many challenges which she has to face during her CA journey. So, Prishta, once again, a super congratulations on this great achievement of securing AIR 49 from the fact that you had panic attack during your first month of study leave and you wanted to quit giving the exam. So, how is the feeling? How is the Josh? Just tell me about it.
I'm immensely happy, very happy to be here. I've also seen the Ednocast during May and September exams. Always wanted to be here. Glad to be here. Thank you.
Wow, so you have manifested it and that manifestations has happened. So I think we have done our job well with this Ednocast series. We are inspiring kids to be part of it and secure a rank for that. So great, great, great. So tell me, Prishta, I think there is this issue with respect to having those panic attacks during the first month of the study leaves where you couldn't focus and so how did you cope up with that, because from there to AIR it's a long journey. I mean, you wouldn't yourself would have believed that you will achieve that, but what did you do, what how did you manage yourself during that time?
Actually, so I never imagined that I could be a ranker until my inter classes started. So I got good marks in foundation. So all of my teachers in Ednovate told me that I could try for a rank. So they motivated me a lot, and that sort of created a pressure on me that I should get a rank. So during the first month, from those 5 months, I started studying, and it was like vast. It's vast. It's never ending. And Ednovate Planner, I tried. So it was 12 hours, 10 to 12 hours of study. So it was like studying, studying, studying. So I thought now there's nothing to do in these 5 months. So I panicked a lot. Then my mom, I spoke to Amit sir, my mom, everyone. So they motivated me. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. पास तो होना ही है. रैंक नहीं आया तो ठीक ही है, क्या ही हो जाएगा. I just go with the flow and study. I'll give my best. I will not think about the results. That is in the future. So we'll see about that.
So I think Prishta is making a very relevant point कि do your work well. एक बार अपना काम कर लिया, पढ़ाई अच्छे से कर ली, जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा, क्योंकि कभी कभी howsoever you work hard, नसीब से ज़्यादा तो तुम्हें मिलता नहीं. आई थिंक किसी ने सही बोला है, हमारे बुजुर्गों ने ये बात. Prishta, tell me one person, and of course you did mention that कि एटनोवेट के प्रोफेसर्स ने आपको बोला कि यू हैव द पोटेंशियल टू गेट अ रैंक बिकॉज उन्होंने आपके अंदर कुछ डेफिनेटली देखा होगा. एंड वी डू हैव दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ आइडेंटिफाइंग रैंकर्स. हम जनरली एक सिस्टम बनाते हैं जिसके थ्रू हम पता कर पाते हैं कि इनके आ सकते हैं. देन वी ट्राई टू मोटिवेट देम एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प देम चॉक आउट देयर पाथ इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्टडीज. बट वन पर्सन हु डेफिनेटली बिलीव्ड कि इसको रैंक आना है व्हेन यू वर थिंकिंग दैट मेरा तो कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं पास ही हो जाऊँ या पढ़ लेती हूँ, दैट वन पर्सन आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू टेल मी कि किसको आपसे ज़्यादा विश्वास था आप पर.
Actually, there were two.
Okay.
Amit sir and Smith sir.
Okay.
Both of them were like, you have to get top 10 rank. So they were with me throughout Ednovate classes. They were always there कि प्रिशिता तू करेगी ही, तो वो करना ही है, तेरे पास ऑप्शन नहीं है. So they were, and when I felt sad also during that first month, they did not create any pressure. They tried to solve it, and I think they did their best. Now I'm here, so
Yeah, no, thank you to both our professors. I think it's the Ednovate systems, processes, including the professors' motivation is what also helps you to always get what you want in life. But one thing which I really want to ask you is that, and I totally resonate with your thoughts, right? That you did mention that you believe that you were never kind of that scholar geek kind of category when you started your CA journey. But after getting good marks in the CA foundation is, I think, that inflection point in your life जब आपको लगा कि यार मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ, I can do little different from my life. And आपने एक determination और hard work, persistence, you did everything whatever is needed to get a rank. तो tell me something, your thought processes in your mind, बिकॉज कभी कभी क्या हो जाता है हम खुद को ही अंडरमाइन कर लेते हैं बिकॉज हम खुद का आंकलन कैसे करते हैं हाउ वी काइंड ऑफ जज आवरसेल्व्स इज लाइक कि मेरे को 10वीं में 90 मार्क्स आए 12वीं में मेरे को 80 मार्क्स आए तो मेरा तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता लाइफ में सो टू ऑल दो स्टूडेंट्स बिकॉज आई थिंक यू विल बी दैट पर्सन हु विल टेल टुडे टू द वर्ल्ड that it really doesn't matter what you scored, where you scored, how you scored. The day you want to score, you can score it. So please मुझे बताओ because it's very very relevant to all my students.
So 10th and 12th really doesn't matter. CA is something different, 10th, 12th is something different. CA foundation is also actually not relevant to your CA inter journey. If you give your 110% in CA inter, no one can stop you from getting a rank. I don't think it's just about focus. It's about giving your everything to this. There should be no distractions. Even if there are, you have to just come out of it and give your best in this. At present, past doesn't matter. At present, you have to give your 100%.
Prishta, I love you because you, when we just started, just with 3 questions, you sound very mature to me for your age. Specifically when I'm talking to Gen Z like you. You spoke about past doesn't matter and earlier you said that future really doesn't matter because it is not in your hand. So live in the moment, very very in the present. What you could do today will define your future and what was there in the past really doesn't matter because your present is any which was defining your future. So I think very relevant listening it from you lag raha hai ki okay someone from my generation I'm speaking with. You said that there were certain distractions. So I wanted to switch gear here and ask you what kind of distractions you had because social distraction तो एक सबसे बड़ा distraction है आपकी life में. Insta, Snapchat, OTT platforms. How did you kind of cope up with that? Do you uninstall these apps or deactivated them? Or what did you do differently or you were self-determined कि नहीं मैं uninstall नहीं करूँगी but मैं इसको हाथ भी नहीं लगाऊँगी. So what did you do?
I'm not that self-determined. I just deactivated my Insta from July. So all of my exams since the start, I've been deactivating Insta, and I open it after exams only. I don't reactivate it. Snapchat, I don't use it that much, so I didn't really care. And OTT was a big distraction. So my sister just completed her studies, so she used to watch everything, and we are that kind of sister that we watch everything together. So she used to call me, चल देख लेते ना इतना क्या हो रहा है, एक दिन नहीं होगा पढ़ाई. But then एक दिन का पढ़ाई बहुत
भारी पड़ जाता है.
So you have to, it's just matter of 3 to 4 months. After that जितना देखना देखो 2 साल आर्टिकलशिप में देख लेना घर आके.
Correct.
तो 3-4 महीने you have to stop it. Right. Movies once in a while is just fun for family time and everything, but series you can't watch at all.
Yashvi said that for her it's about self-determination. She has not uninstalled any of the apps. She said मुझे 5-10 मिनट देखना है, friends को wish करना है. On the contrary, I think Aman, you and Tara did said that मैम फ़र्क तो नहीं पड़ता है but not that self-determined तो uninstall ही कर दो ना वो उस पर हाथ ही नहीं जाएगा जो चीज़ पे नहीं जाना है. Now you tell me, you did mention, let me just talk about the examination timings like during the exams. During those 3 hours, I remember while we were talking, you did discuss that you did have panic attacks, right? So how did you cope up with that? Because वो 3 ही घंटा है, मतलब 2 महीना पहले आना, एग्जाम के 1 दिन पहले आना तक ठीक है. पर अगर एग्जाम टाइम पे आएगा, तो फिर you are gone because वो 3 घंटे ही तुम्हारे निकल जाएंगे and then you are nowhere. So if it has come to you, which I'm sure काफ़ी सारे बच्चों को आता होगा, हमें भी आया है, मतलब I am also one of those who did that, got that. So what did you do and what advice do you want to give to students for that particular thing?
So actually, I misinterpreted my question paper. I thought I could do, and it was my first interview, accounts paper. So I thought I could do that sum. It was 14 marks sum. I started it. It was not coming correct. And of course for me it was 100 marks का paper पूरा correct लिखना ही है. मैं नहीं छोड़ सकती. तो I already 20 minutes were gone and no answer is coming. I'm not able to do it. Dhak start. So I just stopped for a second. I just closed my eyes. I wanted to rush to the washroom. जो मैं रोऊंगी अभी 86 marks जाएगा. So better I should just stop this and do another question. And luckily I was in that state कि rhythm बैठ गया था. So I did another question, I could complete it, and MCQs were easy for me. So I didn't take 30 minutes. It took me 15 minutes. I saved my 15 minutes there. किधर compensate करना वो आपको फिर ढूंढना पड़ेगा. And ठीक है, 100 नहीं हुआ 80 तो हो जाएगा. Passing तो 40 है ना. और आ ही गया ना, मुझे 73 आ गया. जितना भी मैंने किया, मैंने 100 मार्क्स एंड में अटेम्प्ट कर लिया. जबकि लोगों के लिए पेपर लेनी था, they could not complete even after solving it properly. So I was like, I have done at least उतना. I could have done better, but it's okay. Final है.
फाइनल है नहीं, बट आई थिंक पृष्ठा यू मेड अ पॉइंट कि उस समय वो जैसे आप जो बोल रहे, आई थिंक यू आर गोइंग बाय योर ओन आइडियोलॉजीज. अरे भाई हो गया, अभी 20 मिनट गया, अभी क्यों मुझे 2 घंटा 40 मिनट अभी वापस वेस्ट करना है. व्हाट आई हैव टू वर्क अपॉन कि बाकी के 86 मार्क्स कैसे लाने हैं, फोकस ऑन दैट. सो आई थिंक ऑल इज वेल इज व्हाट यू हैव टू, ऑल इज वेल बोलना है खुद को और मूव ऑन करना है. पृष्ठा आप मुझे बताइए, हम जब पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं ड्यूरिंग दैट स्टडी लीव्स, व्हाट वाज योर शेड्यूल, हाउ वर यू स्टडिंग, वर देयर 2 papers like you were doing theory and practical, or were you only doing one single subject you complete and then you moved on to second? So do share some or throw some light on those things कि आप कैसे पढ़ाई करते थे during that study leave.
So I took 2 papers, accounts and law, paper wise only, accounts, law, tax, both theory and practical, direct and indirect. So I did that one subject, costing audit, and then FMSM. So I started paper wise only. I completed group 1 first, then I completed group 2. So I used to study first because I had classes 7 to 4 just before study period. So I had gotten a habit to get up early. So I used to wake up at 6 and 7 o'clock I used to start studying from August. So I used to study in breaks, 2 hours, then half an hour break, 2 hours, half an hour break, because we had 5 months. So I used to take it easy because now if I just थक जाऊंगी अगर अभी से तो फिर 5 months पढ़ना है. तो आई यूज्ड टू कंप्लीट इट आस्ते आस्ते हो रहा है. आफ्टर अ पॉइंट व्हेन यू नो कि चीज़ें आ रही है, एंड वी आर टेस्ट सीरीज ऑल्सो,
करेक्ट,
जैसे ही खत्म हुआ आप टेस्ट दे सकते हो. तो व्हेन यू नो यू आर गेटिंग मार्क्स, यू आर डूइंग गुड, इट्स जस्ट you gain confidence and you go through with it.
Correct.
I think that anxiety and panic attacks that I was having in the first month, I dealt with it through my marks only. You get academic validation.
Correct.
That you're going good, you can do good.
Right, and I think rather than I'll calling it as a panic attack, I think it was little bit of stress which you were suffering कि यार नहीं हो रहा है. वो खुद से जब अपन बातें करने लगते हैं ना वो फेज में, because that's what you're talking to, right? हर बार 2 मिनट में जाके तो ना मम्मी पापा को बोलोगे. So you're self evaluating yourself. So वो कभी कभी मुझे लगता है ना वो स्ट्रेस, थोड़ा स्ट्रेस अच्छा होता है. It pushes you to get what you want in life. Too much of stress of course has no place, because then it culminates into anxiety, which then culminates into depression, right? But little bit of stress I think is, I feel for me it is necessary. अगर मेरे को स्ट्रेस नहीं है तो मुझे लगता है मेरे को क्यों नहीं है, क्योंकि या तो मुझे क्यों नहीं है, मुझे आता तो ऐसा तो नहीं मुझे सब कुछ आता है. So I think this is what I felt was always necessary. और आप कितने आवर्स पढ़ते थे, एंड आई मीन इन योर लाइक anything peculiar which you used to do differently, कि you were just doing it like कि नहीं मैं ऐसे ही पढ़ रही थी आज तक ऐसे ही पढ़ूंगी, but with more focus and determination?
No, actually first 2 months I did everything normally. Then next 3 months I had a scanner सारे past attempts का. So I did that for 1 month, all subjects. Then आखिरी के 2 months I did revision. Suppose I'm doing accounts or whichever subject I'm doing, but at night I made sure I'll solve 2 papers.
Okay.
So I used to at least from 12 o'clock till 4-5 I used to do that.
In the night?
Yeah, because I used to study at night.
Oh.
Yeah, so I used to solve my papers then, and then I used to see 5 to 11 in the morning.
Okay.
So I made sure at night, because paper solving for me was good thing. I liked solving papers. And I used to solve practical papers only. Audit and law I've written, but I didn't solve many papers. So MTP I did 6 MTPs, 3 RTPs, all May, September and Jan attempt, MTPs, RTPs and past papers. So at that time I was doing that. And I think that helped really.
Yeah, because you gain the confidence, and lot of times ना कभी-कभी कुछ questions भी उसमें से आ जाते हैं, and वो जब 10-15 मार्क्स ऐसा लगता है ना ये तो करेक्ट ही है, तो देन यू गेट मोर कॉन्फिडेंस अबाउट इट. सो यस, सो राइटिंग पेपर्स इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आई थिंक. sleeping, you may have your own schedule, right? So don't follow anyone's schedule just because Prishta is telling कि रात में पढ़ना चाहिए, सुबह सोना चाहिए, and
सबको नहीं करना है।
हाँ, and Yashvi is telling कि नहीं मैं तो 8 घंटा सोती थी. You have to have your own plan. They are only giving you cues.
Yeah.
You have to identify कि तुम्हारा कहाँ पे बैठता है, मतलब. So I am someone who cannot study 2 subjects in a day.
Okay.
I can't.
Yeah.
मतलब प्रैक्टिकल थ्योरी भी आप मुझे बोल रहे हो तो आई कांट. अगर मैं थ्योरी पढ़ रही हूँ तो मैं थ्योरी ही पढ़ूंगी 8 दिन जब तक वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाती. अगर मैं प्रैक्टिकल कर रही हूँ तो प्रैक्टिकल ही करूंगी 8 दिन जब तक कंप्लीट नहीं हो जाता. इफ यू टेल मी 2, आई कांट. आई स्टिल कांट.
Yeah.
I mean, right now, as on time, you will ask me. Yes, I've become a multitasker, being a mother, doing a lot of things, but not with papers. I mean, so वो मेरा style था. If I would have listened to Prishta, I would have never got a rank. So stick to your things. These are just cues which you are getting, but the idea is that identify your pattern, which is very important, and just be very very focused when you are writing papers, not cheating. Like कुछ लोग क्या होते हैं, देख लेते तो मतलब ही क्या है, हम ही है. So don't do that. You should not be cheating yourself, at least I will say. So that's important.
You have to find what is feasible to you.
To you, absolutely. Who motivated you to choose CA as a profession? I mean, I'm kind of jumping quickly, but I wanted you to answer that question.
So my sister has done CS and LLB.
Okay.
So I was never a theory kind of person, but I really liked accounts. Till 12th,
Correct.
I didn't know about that. Accounts, maths. I knew I liked something practical. So she told me that you could do CA, and a friend was doing CA. So I thought I could do it. I felt like doing it, so I did. I felt like I have to do something जो मैं बोल सकूँ मैंने उखाड़ा है लाइफ में कुछ.
And CA is one of those degrees.
Yes,
Mind
of
it. I mean,
course.
I can vouch for it.
कि बोलना कि हम CA, it's a big deal.
Yes.
So-
So a lot of time I used to tell. So I'm CA, CS lawyer, and I also have 2 more degrees. I've done my entrepreneurship course from IIM Bangalore, NSRCL, and General Lens Fellowship Asia. So again, these were very later stage of my life. Like 2-3 years back, I've completed these few of the things. But earlier, when someone used to ask me, I said, be very very focused. What is your primary degree? Like inter में भी मुझे लोग बोलते हैं हम CFA कर लें, ये कर लें, वो कर लें. So I always used to tell them that be very focused in terms of your primary degree. I was very clear my primary degree is CA.
Yeah.
उसके साथ मैंने CS एक दिन में पढ़ के दिया, I've cleared it. But the idea was this, law एक दिन में पढ़ के दिया मैंने, मतलब. And I was तो law के time पे I was working by that time तो, because it's a 3-year law for me, right? So but मेरा mindset बहुत clear था कि मैंने अगर ये मेरे को achieve हो गया ना CA, because in today's world ना, even when in our world 1 degree is not enough. So it's always multiples which you have to work, because knowledge is always gives you more wisdom.
True.
But मैं इतनी क्लैरिटी थी कि मैं CS भी करूँ तो CS के लिए छुट्टी नहीं लेनी है मेरे को, बिकॉज मेरी आगे की छुट्टी कटेगी. एक दिन पेपर पढ़ के दे दो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा. फेल भी हो गए तो कौन ही पूछने वाला है. CA में पास होना इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो आई थिंक वो दिमाग में क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए कि मेरा प्राइमरी गोल या क्या है लाइफ में. जैसे योर सिस्टर सेड CS LLB, यू आर वेरी क्लियर कि मेरे को थ्योरी तो नहीं करनी है. वन एडवाइस टू CA स्टूडेंट्स, इंक्लूडिंग वन थिंग विच दे शुड अवॉइड, बिकॉज यू हैव देयर इज अ प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस विच यू हैड, and you may repeat that, but it's important that what they should be doing differently, at least to clear the exam. Rank is all about, I think, what you said, dedication, hard work, perseverance, and very very focused, and you should know your goal. And I think self determination is one thing which I will say is so important. अगर नहीं करना है ना तो नहीं करना है, मतलब वैसा वाली
You have
बात.
to say self-motivated.
Self, yes, this is a course where no one will motivate you.
How much ever external motivation you get, you have to be.
Self-motivated. So one advice, Prishta, from your side to all my CA aspirants.
I think one thing that they should really do is parallel studying. With classes, you have to study, you have to do your homeworks, and test writing is really important. With everything you do, you have to check whether you are doing it right or not. So test giving, of course, studying all together, and you can take small breaks, and if you get any stress and everything, don't quit, take breaks. And I think I personally feel you should develop a hobby together with CA, because you don't need distractions. You could do something that you like with yourself. Music, listening to music, going for a walk with your friends, that is all fine for half an hour, not more than that also you can do. And I personally had a study partner from Ednoid only here. So we used to study together. क्या जितना करना आज करना ही है. तो इट इज लाइक उसका हो गया तो आप खुद कर ही लेते हो, तो वो ऐसा ही होना चाहिए जो वो भी हार्ड वर्किंग हो।
Correct, correct.
दोनों का गोल होना चाहिए कि करना ही है भाई ये अटेम्प्ट।
Correct.
So she also passed, I also passed.
Oh, wow.
So we went through this together. She
Right.
was there with me for the whole time. So I really my credit goes to her also.
So I think having such kind of friends
True.
and that
Is a
peer
blessing.
support is always a blessing, but at the same time be aware of people जो बड़ा चढ़ा के बोलते हैं कि मेरा 3 बार रिविजन हो गया।
वो खींचने वाले लोग से तो पहले ही समझ
आज,
जाओ,
हाँ,
नीचे
true.
खींचते हैं लोग।
So I remember, so we also have that study group था हमारा, so we were 5 people, and I think you got here as your partner for studies. Partner in crime तो बहुत मिल जाते हैं, partner in studies is like the
बहुत
special
चल
things,
के
yes.
रहता है।
So that's I think
She's
you
there
are
with me
blessed.
since 12th, so I had no doubt
Yes.
कि वो कुछ भी मेरे साथ।
One thing which I want to tell about Prishta is that she has been a student from 11th onwards. So we are so proud. We have seen her growing from 11th to 12th, 12th to foundation to now inter. And I have actually seen all her photographs when I was just doing on prospects. I was like, तो अपनी बच्ची है, तो अपनी बच्ची है, तो सब में दिख रही है, तुमने नीचे क्यों नहीं डाला इसका? So I think we feel proud about it. We feel that we have done our job well. That if you are consistently improvising over a period of time, and you're making those comments, we feel that as an institution, we are able to provide that support to you. We are able to provide that mentorship to you, and we think that we have done our job well. And sometimes this is what you want to do. So thank you so much for that validation to us as well. Last question, and after that we'll have a rapid fire quickly, and you'll get a hamper if you answer the questions correctly. How do you think Ednovate has paved the path for you to score a rank?
Ednovate has been an important part of my journey since my commerce journey. So every professor, Amit sir, Smith sir, Dhaval sir, everyone was there. The practicality during the classes. Dhaval sir never gave us the answers कि चलो लिखो. He made us solve, खुद से करो फिर ही बताऊंगा क्या है. So that just exercise your mind. You know what to do, what not to do. Exam में तो सब नहीं आएगा ना कि लिखा हुआ है. तो कॉस्टिंग उसके वजह से बहुत अच्छा था। DT सर made us write his notes. जैसे ही घर जाके आप सर जो लिखते हैं वो लिखो, तो that only makes us memorize things. And Smith sir was also very good in his teaching, and every subject for that matter was very good. And for that 5 months it was like revision.
Right.
कि पहली टाइम पढ़
रहे हैं।
हाँ, खुद मतलब पढ़ा हुआ है, अभी याद करो सब
याद
कुछ।
करो।
मुझे कभी ऐसी जरूरत नहीं पड़ी कि मैं वापस जाके देखूं कि क्या हो गया। खुद सॉल्व किया तो याद रहता है।
यस यस, या तो वो अगर कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गए तो फिर इट्स जस्ट दैट, हाँ मतलब अगर आपको 70% भी कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गए तो 30% you will take over with your hard work, dedication, but what is happening in the classroom is very important. Let's come on to the rapid fire round. Okay, before that you tell me what is your hobby. You did spoke about hobby, I forgot to ask. So
I used to dance and I used to go for walking with my friends.
Okay, so dancing is your hobby.
Yeah.
So with the rapid fire we'll start. Mummy or papa?
Mummy.
Dokla or vada pav?
Vada pav.
Sports or books?
Sports.
First person whom you shared your rank with?
Siddhi.
One person whom you admire the most?
My mom.
Consistency or focus? One thing which you got to choose.
Consistency.
Consistent होगे तो focus हो ही जाओगे. So thank you so much for this amazing podcast. Prishta had a great time. God bless you, bacha. And may you achieve what you want in life. And I am sure with this approach, I will also be sitting on the couch with you for the finals podcast, and we will rock during that time. So all the best. Do well. Bye-bye.